Everybody, today we have another unboxing video, but instead of the usual Coco stuff that I've usually do, today we're going to do some Amiga stuff. Now this box I've been waiting for over 2 years. I know who it's from. I know basically what's in it. It's two Amiga 2000s. One I have to fix up for the client, the other one is mine. So we'll go ahead and start unboxing. It's a heavy one. Purelator just dropped it off here. I'm not sure what's being got on film and what's not, if anything. So. Got a box here with 5200 RF modulator. Another box here with JVP recording. If you can see that. Box we have hard drives and SCSI terminators, converters. So I've got a bunch of hard drives, hard drive racks. Halloween candy. Not sure what this is. Some kind of card. Atkin Research. Looks like a VGA card. Don't see Amiga 2000 Easy L. It's a 9-pin connector. Must be a serial card. Get a better view of that. I believe it's a serial card. I'll have to look that up because I'm not familiar with that model. Nice. We got a digitizer tablet. Easial. AR Easial. Itself. Screws on it. As you can see, this one's got an amber card stuck in it, and an accelerator, and a MIDI card. Huh. Alright. Put that over here. We've got one more. I don't know if I can get it out. because of the spray foam. Dump this box. Second Amiga, another accelerator card, COM card, and that's about it. Looks like this has got some twisting action going here, so got a nice Apple sticker up front. It's got a super drive in there. Huh. Alright. So that concludes our unboxing video.